Surah, number 100, of Quran Majeed. The charges.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
وَالْعَادِيَاتِ ضَبْحًا.
By the snorting chargers.
فَالْمُورِيَاتِ قَدْحًا.
By the strikers of sparks, with their hoofs.
فَالْمُغِيرَاتِ صُبْحًا.
By the raiders at dawn.
فَأَثَرْنَ بِهِ نَقْعًا.
Raising therein a trail of dust.
فَوَسَطْنَ بِهِ جَمْعًا.
And cleaving therein a host.
إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لِرَبِّهِ لَكَنُودٌ.
Indeed, man is ungrateful to his Lord.
وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ.
And indeed he is, himself, witness to that.
وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ.
And indeed he is an avid lover of wealth.
أَفَلَا يَعْلَمُ إِذَا بُعْثِرَ مَا فِي الْقُبُورِ.
Does he not know, when what is buried in the graves is turned over?
وَحُصِّلَ مَا فِي الصُّدُورِ.
And what is concealed in the breasts is divulged.
إِنَّ رَبَّهُم بِهِمْ يَوْمَئِذٍ لَخَبِيرٌ.
On that day their Lord will be well informed about them, and their deeds.